again, your professional massage therapist, and we are back with a Swedish massage application. So we have done with the 3 main strokes. Those are the rods, petrissage, and friction. Now, we still have 2 remaining strokes, and these are vibration and tapotement. So, what is tapotement? Tapotement, guys, is a percussive movement. So, I will do the tapotement. So, my first tapotement is actually tapping. So, as you can see, guys, I'm only doing this one provided that the client is fully covered. Hindi siya advisable na gawin mo siya hindi. So, uncovered or na-expose yung katawan, hindi siya pwedeng ganito. Or else mamaga o magkapantal pa yan. So, doing the tapotement, your client should be covered. So, after tapping, I'm doing cupping. So, how to do the cupping? You have, parang ganito lang. So, you are into the rhomboid muscles. This is the bronchial muscles. This is the hamstring and the calf. So remember that yung moving pwedeng ganito lang. You don't have to go around. Now I'm doing the hacking. Ito lang. After that, I will do the called quacking. So quacking is like hacking, but ito lang. Kailangan parang praying hands, but okay, now do like this. It is actually creating a sound. So as you can see, guys, I'm actually skipping the weakest part of the lower back. That's between the sacral and the lumbar part and the popliteal fossa. Now I'll be doing the pounding. So it's like a fist. So you're doing this na relaxed manner. Huwag yung masyadong malakas na. One of the advantages of this strokes actually is good for someone na may ubo. Sometimes it loosens up the flame. Pag may flame na siya. It's like decongestant. It decongestates the muscles and the lungs. Now I'll be doing the rapid. So in rapid class, as you can see, for guys, you're like knocking the door. So you can do this one also to the sole of the feet. Now I have done my tapotement and its subvariations. Now I'll be doing the last part, which is the shaking or vibration. So as easy like this. So this is an indication that you're actually ending up the massage session. So remember that is how Swedish massage is being distinguished from another massage like the Thai massage. Thai massage is actually a dry massage. While Swedish, you have to apply oil. And you have to learn those 5 main strokes of the Swedish massage, including its subvariations, in order to be called a professional massage therapist. So, I'm your massage therapist, professional massage therapist, Uncle Sam. And that is my Swedish massage application on the lower back and the upper back. So guys, thank you for watching.